In which session did the Muslim League propose the demand for the partition of India? Answer is Lahore session. Who gave the slogan Jai Hind? Answer is Subhash Chandra Bose. The arrest of Mahatma Gandhi and his associates in 1942 led to many riots in Bihar. Rail service came to a complete standstill in this. Which was the maximum affected district in that? Answer is Patna. What is the majority required for a constitutional amendment to create a new state? Answer is simple majority. Dulhasti hydropower station is situated on which river? Answer is Chenab river. Which period is called plan holiday in Indian planning? Answer is 1966 to 69 period. Where is Gobind Vallabh Sagar located? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Who formed an army called the Free Indian Legion during the Indian freedom struggle? Answer is Subhash Chandra Bose. Who was the first commander of Azad Hind Fauj? Answer is Mohan Singh. Whose ore is bauxite? Answer is aluminium. What is aspirin? Answer is antipyretic. Which chemical is used in artificial rainfall? Answer is silver iodide. By whom are the genetic characteristics in the organism carried to the progeny? Answer is chromosome. Under which act was the Darky system implemented in the provinces? Answer is Government of India Act 1919. After attaining independence, who suggested that the Indian National Congress should be abolished? Answer is Mahatma Gandhi. When is National Fish Farmers Day celebrated? Answer is 10 July. Who all were hanged by the British government in the case of Kakori conspiracy? Answer is Ram Prasad Bismil, Asfaqullah, Roshan Singh. Where is Mangarh Hill situated? Answer is Rajasthan. Where is the origin of river Yamuna? Answer is Yamunotri Glacier. What is the meant by core sector in the scheme? Answer is selected basic industry. Which menu is selected for printing? Answer is file menu. The mirror used by a dentist to examine the teeth of a patient is? Answer is concave mirror. James D. Watson and Francis Crick are related to which discovery? Answer is structure of the DNA model. Usually the Prime Minister of India is? Answer is member of the Lok Sabha. Who is the author of the book Planned Economy for India? Answer is M. Visvesvaraya. After independence in India, who was the law minister of the first cabinet? Answer is B.R. Ambedkar. Thalassemia is a hereditary disease which affects? Answer is blood. Who said that let us look at the door and wall with desire, be happy, pupil of our country, we travel? Answer is Wajid Ali Shah. Who was the public prosecutor in the Kakori case? Answer is Pandit Jagat Narayan Mulla. With which freedom fighter is the slogan Inqilab Zindabad associated? Answer is Sardar Bhagat Singh. When was Bengal reunited due to opposition from Indians? Answer is 1911. Who was the founder of the Indian Association? Answer is Surendranath Banerjee. When is World Malala Day celebrated? Answer is 12 July. The Chittagong Armory raid had been planned by. Answer is Surya Sen. Who propounded the theory of passive resistance? Answer is Aurobindo Ghosh. Where are coins minted in India? Answer is Maharashtra, West Bengal, Hyderabad and Uttar Pradesh. Who called Indian federalism as cooperative federalism? Answer is G. Austin. The latitude passing through Sikkim also passes through which state? Answer is Rajasthan. Tropic of Cancer passes through how many Indian states? Answer is 8. What is the saving of the same data in many places called? Answer is data redundancy. In which year Jana Gana Mana was adopted as the national anthem of India? Answer is 24th January 1950. Under which amendment Sikkim was made a state of India? Answer is 36th Amendment. When was paper currency first started in India? Answer is 1862. Where was the headquarters of Ghadar Party? Answer is San Francisco. What is the reason for the dispersion of light in the atmosphere? Answer is dust particles. Where did Shyamji Krishna Varma establish the Indian Home Rule Society? Answer is London. Who has been called the mother of the Indian Revolution? Answer is Madam Bhikaji Kama. Where did the Indian Congress split into moderates and extremists? Answer is Surat Session 1907. What was provided for in the Indian Council Act of 1909? Answer is communal representation. When was the famous Lucknow Pact signed between the Congress and the Muslim League? Answer is 1916.